Top story: questions and concerns surrounding a new strain of coronavirus. We have team coverage tonight, and let's get right to KPIX5's Devin Fehely with the system already in place to identify these kind of mutations. Devin?
Yeah, good evening. I want to be unmistakably clear that there is no evidence right now that this worrisome strain of the virus in the UK has reached California, that it is circulating here. Now, we do know that there are different strains of this virus out in the community and out in the wider world. On a genetic level, scientists are able to identify the so-called genetic fingerprint of these different strains, and importantly, that tells them when the virus has mutated. Think of it as an early warning system, an effort to monitor how the virus is changing or mutating over time.
We test anywhere from 5 to 10,000 samples every single day for mutations.
Those tests performed by UCSF and Chan Zuckerberg's BioHub can tell us if new strains of the virus, like a highly infectious variant that's popped up in London, are also circulating here in California.
We haven't seen anything related to a new strain yet, and that's constant monitoring.
This new strain of the virus in the UK has raised alarm bells because research suggests it is significantly more infectious.
The way I like to think of it is it's a little bit more sticky.
The concern is that stickiness means the new strain of the virus spreads more easily from one person to another.
The new mutated COVID virus seems to bind a little tighter, a little more easily, and enter the cell of the human body easier than our current COVID.
Researchers say there is no evidence the new strain in the UK is any deadlier than earlier forms of the virus, but the state's genetic testing program, which runs a DNA analysis on a portion of positive COVID test samples, is designed to allow doctors to stay ahead of this and other mutations to the virus.
That level of analysis, that fingerprinting, requires basically a more detailed map of the virus that we don't usually collect. I think there is definitely some utility in knowing what strains are in the environment and continuing to monitor those.
Devin, what do you know about how the current vaccines will work against this new strain?
Yeah, that really is a $64,000 question. Now, the silver lining is researchers say that right now it appears that the vaccines will work even on this new strain. And just one other thing to add, so will masks and social distancing, our greatest weapons right now against the virus.
All right, Devin, thank you so much.